Introducing Writing Time. Adventures have a beginning, middle, and end. Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you share adventures. You can share adventures with pictures, and you can share adventures with words. Some adventures are big, like hiking a mountain, and some adventures are small, like finding a ladybug. When you tell your adventure, it has a beginning, middle, and end. These parts help you tell it in the right order. Our small class adventure. First, my teacher said, "We are going to our school garden." Next, we walked in a line across the school. Then we watered flowers. We ate fresh snap peas. We went back to the room and drew a picture. I liked our school garden. The beginning of the adventure told us who was in the story and where they were going. The middle of the adventure tells what events happened. You explain what you did, what happened next, what happened then. In the end of the adventure, you share what happened last and how you felt. Let's try another. Our big class adventure. First, our class rode on a school bus. We rode to the aquarium. Next, we pet starfish. Then we saw sharks. We watched jellyfish. Last, we ate lunch. Our trip was fun. In the beginning, who was in the story? Our class. Where were we going? To the aquarium. In the middle of the adventure, there are 3 events: petting starfish, seeing sharks, and watching jellyfish. In the end, the last event was eating lunch. And how did the person feel? They thought it was fun. Let's review. In the beginning, share who and where the adventure starts. In the middle, share what happened. What did you do? What did you see? And in the end, share what was done last and how you felt about it. All adventures have a beginning, middle, and end.
Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.